Okay, my question is for the three top winners. Okay, my question is, what is your biggest strength and inspiration that, in your opinion, help you in winning the three major titles of Mr. Friendship International?
My biggest inspiration is going
Can I
my
first?
because at the first of all, parang one thing can have lang yung preparation, but that one thing can have
Kasi may ilaw din sa loob. Doon sa...
motivated myself, the preparation,
Sabi ko, yung ilaw ko na mati. Kasi
Lalo yung preparation ko, binamaximize ko yung time, even though 1 week lang yung preparation. And my strength naman is, I think, my mentality. Because I'm independent person living in Manila. So ako lang mag-isa, wala akong family relatives, no? So I live independently. So that's why I think that is my strength.
My strength is myself and my willingness to join this pageant and to challenge myself as well, and especially to my manager who helped me guide me from here. And my biggest inspiration is my family, because they were the first ever who helped me to go through this. That's all.
Hi everyone, so my strength, I think my biggest strength right now is I just came from a win from Mr. Lipa, so I'm still on like a good high from the win. So coming into this competition, and will bring me yung confidence and yung drive in pageantry. So my inspiration naman is of course my team, PS management, and of course my family, because they are the ones who really believed in me since day one, since I entered this pageantry namin. So, ayun, they really pushed me and they really motivated me to do well in this pageant.
Thank you.
Thank you. And the next question is from the Crown Philippines, Christian Ba.
Hi, Kurt. After just a question, what was your main reason for joining Friendship International?
Actually, after Mr. Lipa po, to be honest, there were lots of pageants, national pageants that reached out to us, and including Mr. Friendship International Philippines. And I think I really heard a lot of good things about this pageant. And I can attest to that. We experienced that. We had a really good experience in this pageant. And yun po talaga yung first reason ko why I joined this, because I heard so much good things about this pageant. And like yung mga previous candidates and winners, they said it's really a good experience to be here. So,
And the next question is coming from Sherman Gambo.
Ako naman, ang question is for the icons. Okay. What have you learned dito sa journey nyo sa Mr. Friendship International?
Learnings from this experience.
First of all, I learned the value of friendship, and to go into details, the in every competition is there's a real competition with amongst everyone in that said event, said pageant or whatnot. And so, if I were to take one thing that I learned, I'm not in a competition with anyone here with my candidates. And I'm just in a competition with myself, and baby steps, small progress is still progress. As long as I see any progress, then I'm good. There's no competition to answer your question. There's no competition in this match.
Same lang.
Same question. Learnings.
Parang anong natutunan mo sa competition?
So many learnings, like being a group is very enjoyable. Sen na kasama is sobrang talagang yung may kasama is tutulungan kami. Like brotherhood po. Si Miss Carney po, akala ko po dati ang national ay napakakulit. Hindi ko po asahan na magkakaroon po kami na magkakaibigan na tinuturuan na po namin yung kapatid na isa't isa. And natutunan ko din po ay, syempre po ay tumayo ng isa at lumaban na mag-isa dahil hindi naman po laging kasama mo yung team mo. Kasama mo yung lahat ng support. And gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat sa mga support sa akin at sa team ko mo. Thank you po din sa the learnings, what I've learned here in this pageant. Marami po, pero yung one thing na nag-spike-impact siya sa akin is, ayun, it's not always about the crowd, it's about the experience and good connections that we had. Being here and sharing a moment with my brothers, it's a win-win.
Thank you. And the last question is coming from Edge Tenoria of Pageantology.
My question is for Andy or you, Franz, or Sir James. I just want to ask kung yung our...
James Chu.
Kahit si Andy siguro.
May question. Ayan.
James, the question is, of course, Mr. Friendship Philippines winner automatically will compete in Mr. Friendship International.
Compete in Thailand.
Yes. So how about our three yeah.
Isa sa kanila will compete for Mr. Elite Global.
Mr. Elite Global in India. No,
Hindi ko pa alam
hindi pa alam.
India ba this year or
Alright.
yung Bali next year. Because we still have Kyle.
Ay, so dalawa lang pala ang lalaban.
Hindi
So dalawa lang yung lalaban internationally. So we have
There's one more, yung
So-
Masters.
I see. So abangan natin. So tatlong
Actually, baka
lalaban.
apat.
Ayun.
That's why, this is the reason why hindi kami nag-runners-up. They're all icons. Kasi if there's a possibility of another international pageant, sa kanila namin kukunin. Yun yung reason.
Follow-up question. May question pa ako, sir. Ano yung mga prizes ng mga winners?
Okay, the three winners get 70,000, 30,000, and 20,000 plus 100,000 each dental services from our...
Ay, may budget! How about the icons?
Actually, nagka-emergency lang yung owner, kaya hindi siya nag-charge. Pero nandito siya kahapon, nakasama na nila. Anytime, pwede na kami pumunta sa clinic, ipaayos ang mga veneers.
And then the icons.
They all get 10,000 cash.
Wow.
Nakuha na nila.
Oh, wow! So yun lang naman ang question. So at least they will compete internationally.
Okay, Sir James. Siyempre, ito yung mga winners natin. May mga uuwi naman na hindi winners. Ano yung message mo sa kanila about their experience sa Mr. Friendship at sa for their future and then
Yung mga non-winners?
Yes.
Alam, actually, ang dami naming mga first runner-up na nag-compete sa ibang pageant and they were very successful. Nandito kanina si Ayan, who is man of the world, di ba? He was first runner-up namin. Si Jose was our second winner, who is now
Ay, oo nga.
very successful. Nandito din siya kanina, di ba? So, madami kaming ganun. Si Mark Marasigan, a runner-up, is also doing very well in another pageant. Mga ganyan. And sinusuportahan namin sila. Si Gab De Paz, first runner-up last year, nung nagtanong siya kasi di ba tapos yung Reynas, dito, can I join another pageant? Go! Support! Ganun kami.
and ganun talaga yung pageant. There are some losers, there are winners also. Pero they could come back also.
Hindi ako sure doon sa Kampa kasi the franchise director decides who they want to send. Pero if they want to come back, they're free to come back.
At alagaan nyo, syempre.
Yes, yes. Lagi namin inaalagaan lahat ng candidates namin.
And very transparent with the scores, right?
Yes, kung napapansin nyo kanina, the judges sits on their seats, walang pwedeng lumapit sa tabulator, not even me. Hindi kami pwede umakyat sa tabulator. hindi pwede. And pag may konting problema, dumarating ang tabulator. There was one judge, may nakalimutan siyang i-score. He has to do it again. Tapos, wala, hands off talaga kami sa... And then nakita naman ng lahat na nung lumabas na yung decision, it was Joe, Angel yung owner. He was the one who chose who he wants to compete.
Kings at saka Icons, ano yung final message nyo sa lahat ng supporters
And I
nyo?
hope pala our winners, sana lahat sila kahit yung non-winners, sana nag-enjoy sila kasi we tried our best. It is so difficult to stage a pageant. Hindi ganun kadali makahanap ng sponsors. But we are very happy na maraming tumulong sa amin this year. And naitawid namin itong year na ito. And we will have a bigger
Can you expect a much bigger edition next year?
This is yet our best batch.
True.
And we are hoping for a better or a more competitive batch.
At may budget! Wait lang, James!
Tsaka kasi,
Andy, James at may budget kasi may mga media na.
pasensya na in the past edition, walang media kasi walang budget.
Ngayon kasi meron na kami.
PR! At may PR na.
Magpapatch.
Tsaka yung mga icons namin, we will try our best na maisama sila sa Hanoi, Vietnam Fashion Week. Last year, our winners and some of our runners-up were able to attend the Hanoi, Vietnam Fashion Week.
Yes.
So, hopefully, madala namin yung mga icons namin.
Aside from the prizes, tapos yung sa Hanoi, ano pa yung mga for this winners? Ano pa yung inline sa kanila?
Madami pa. So many plans. Actually, mamaya namin pag-uusapan kasi may maraming offers, maraming ano. We also may contact kasi kami with Harbin Fashion Week na inattendan na ni Johnson last year. So hopefully, actually one of our winners, interesado ang Harbin Fashion Week.
May host country na ba for Mr. Friendship International?
Meron na, December, Bangkok, Thailand.
Thailand.
3 to 13.
When?
December.
Bangkok and Khon Kaen,
Puro Thailand,
Thailand.
no? Puro Bangkok.
Ang preliminary kasi is on Khon Kaen.
Kasi last year sa
And then the
Taiwan.
finals is in Bangkok. Bukas may ticket na si Kurt. Loti na.
Loti!
And we will prepare. We will collab with this team.
Any final message, Sir Jay?
I hope na maraming sumali next year. I hope na ma-experience nila how it is to be part of Mr. Friendship. Congratulations to all of these boys. I'm sure ang hirap ng pinagdaanan nila. Mahirap ba? Yes.
Saan daw next year may nagpapatanong?
We're hoping for basta somewhere in Luzon.
Wow.
Somewhere in Nueva Ecija.
And we are hoping na may travel namin lahat ng winners namin. Johnson was the most traveled king. He went to Taiwan, he went to China, Thailand, tsaka Vietnam. He had worked there. So I hope na ganun din ang ma-experience nila. Si Kyle nag-Japan yan, nag-Taiwan. So,
Do you think malakas yung natin, yung candidate natin this year? Super lakas, no?
This is the very first time na nahirapan si owner, si Kapon. The very first time hindi siya makapag-decide. Kahapon pa madaling araw hindi siya makapag-decide. Kasi yung gusto niya nagbabago-bago eh. Pati kami din naman. So this is really the strongest batch. Kasi
Do we have winners na ba from the Philippines? Do we have winner na ba from the Philippines first?
The first Mr. Friendship kasi is from the Philippines.
Okay,
Si Mito
first edition.
Rivera.
Kaso ano yun?
Yeah. Online siya?
Online siya.
I see.
So we're hoping na manalo na ulit. And may Miss Friendship kasi sa China. I hope to bring the boys in China.
Final message ng mga candidates. Mga winners.
Ako sa kanila?
Sila.
Sila. Tapos ka na.
My final message is I will do my best even though sa preparation.
Lakas.
Wala
Walayas.
I will do my best parang preparation for my upcoming pageant. I will be proud.
So my final message, I'm so happy there at the right now. It's the first time it's really important for me.
Wala. Ayun.
And I hope I make proud of my friends.
Hindi, meron na yun. Ito dito.
And by the way, I hope
Bay namin. Ay, meron ka na pala. Ako di mo dinado yun. Miss Universe lang kasi yun.
For my last message po, ending coming into this pageant, it was just really focused on trying to do well and perform well. But along the way, I learned that there's something more important than the craft, which is brotherhood. So all throughout the experience po, super naging ganda ng experience namin. Pag-usapan namin ang mates ko, si Von, tsaka po si Jeff na parang sobrang bilis, sobrang parang bitin yung isang linggo na magkakasama tayo. Because aside from us competing or doing activities every day, parang mostly nagiging bonding po siya. So, I can really attest to what the previous candidates were saying that it's really such a good experience being here. And aside from that, I think there's such a great holistic development in this pageant. So like what Sir James said a while ago, sana po madami pang mag-join in Miss Your Friendship International Philippines sa mga susunod na editions kasi from our experience, so sobrang ganda po talaga ng experience namin with the organization. They really took care of us. It didn't feel like a competition. It felt like a brotherhood talaga. So, ayun po, I just wanna thank everyone and the media team, of course, for being here with us in this journey. Salamat po.
Last question na pahabol. Anong masasabi mo na dapat doon kasama dito si Mr. Friendship? Si Mr. Cebu. Siya yung Mr. Friendship, di ba? Literal. So, Mr. Friendship din siya. Right? Thank you. Winner sila.
So,
Winner siya naman
thank you
special award.
everyone for our mini press run. Hopefully,